Imagine living in a mansion overlooking the ocean, driving your dream car, and jet-setting around the world. Sounds like a fantasy, right? What if I told you that this could have been your reality with just a few small investments made over the past 10 years? Intrigued? Stay with me, because today, we're diving into how you could have turned modest sums into billions. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more life-changing financial tips. Today, we're going to take you on a thrilling journey through time, highlighting small investments that could have transformed your life. And trust me, you'll want to watch till the end for the most shocking reveal. Let's rewind to 2013. The world was a different place. Bitcoin was still a mysterious digital currency, Netflix was just starting to dominate streaming, and nobody had heard of a little app called TikTok. But amidst this landscape, there were golden opportunities hidden in plain sight. Segment 1. Bitcoin. First up, Bitcoin. In 2013, Bitcoin was trading at around $100. Many were skeptical, thinking it was just a fad. But, had you invested just $1,000 back then, your investment would be worth over $400 million today. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine turning a mere $1,000 into a fortune. Incredible, right? But Bitcoin isn't the only golden goose we'll talk about today. Segment 2. Tesla. Next, we have Tesla. Back in 2013, Tesla was on the verge of revolutionizing the automotive industry. With stocks priced at around $6 per share, a $1,000 investment then would be worth over $200,000 today. That's a 20,000% increase. And here's where it gets even more interesting. There were many such opportunities, but the key was spotting them early and holding on tight. Segment 3. Amazon. Amazon, the e-commerce giant, was another goldmine. In 2013, Amazon shares were about $270 each. Investing $1,000 back then? You'd now be sitting on around $30,000. Jeff Bezos knew what he was doing, and early investors reaped the rewards. Amazing, right? But wait, there's more. Segment 4. Netflix. Let's talk about Netflix. In 2013, the streaming service was still finding its footing. With shares priced at about $50, a $1,000 investment would now be worth around $15,000. Streaming became the new normal, and Netflix led the charge. By now, you might be wondering if there's anything more surprising. Well, hold on to your seats because the best is yet to come. Segment 5. Small startups to giants. Let's not forget about social media. Snapchat, Instagram, and TikTok were all startups with immense potential. Early investments in these platforms have made many millionaires, if not billionaires. The takeaway? Sometimes, the biggest opportunities come from the smallest, most unassuming places. And if you're ready for the biggest shocker of all, stay tuned till the end. Ready for the final revelation? The one investment that could have surpassed all others? Segment 6. Early-stage startups and IPOs. Investing in early-stage startups or getting in on initial public offerings, IPOs, can be incredibly lucrative. Take companies like Airbnb, Uber, or even Beyond Meat. Early investors saw astronomical returns. One notable example is Airbnb. If you had invested just $1,000 during its early funding rounds, you could be sitting on a multi-million-dollar fortune today. The lesson here? Keeping an eye on innovation and new market trends can pay off immensely. So, there you have it. A few small investments made at the right time could have set you up for life. But don't worry if you missed out. The next big opportunity is always around the corner. Make sure to stay informed, be bold, and maybe, just maybe, the next billionaire could be you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video inspiring, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments what investments you think will be the next big thing. Don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing tips. Until next time, stay curious and keep investing wisely.